are they gonna do? Arrest the damn corpse?
You're under arrest. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Naked grandma!
Naked, huh?
I don't want to see that either.
Bitch, bitch, you got that bitch.
Shit. All right.
You cussed! I'm gonna write you up!
Oh, shit. Deck the halls with gasoline. Fa la 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 la. Light a match and watch it gleam. Fa la 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 la. Now the school is burned to ashes. Fa la 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 la. Aren't you glad you played with matches? Fa la 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 la. I'm watching my tone, da-da-da. I ain't talking back, no, why? Cause I'ma get thrown, da-da-da. Just slow can't get on my seat. They stare cause they know I'm the I-T-T-I-R out. You know I am back.
You're up early.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
Whoa, yo, what?
What?
Why is your voice so deep?
It's just a little deeper in the morning. Yours doesn't do that?
You sound like you're narrating a Ford commercial.
Yeah, I get that sometimes.
Is that like a condition, or?
I don't know why it does that, Daniel. It's early. Will you let me enjoy my morning in peace?
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to make some tea for Dennis. You want one too?
No, sir. No, thank you, hoodie guy.
And FYI, Dennis is a little under the weather. He sounds terrible. Try not to draw attention to it. I think he's self-conscious.
Do you mean self-conscious?
お前らおはよ
Morning.
う。うわ、声低すぎだろ。
Okay, what is going on?
Baku, go, go, Bakugo. Gotchan!
Dude, I just read an article that says swearing can make you live longer.
I shall be immortal!
Kachan! Uraraka, you okay? You good, Baku bro?
Yeah, fine, shut up.
What was that just now? A patented Baku bro sneeze. That was a sneeze? Dang, I heard that from the roof. Everybody okay?
Why were you on the roof?
Oh, you know, just chatting with none your business. Okay. Boy, round face sneezed first. But she's not the one with explosive mucus, apparently. Either that or you're just sweating out of your nose. Gross, bro. Doesn't matter. Uraraka sneezed first, then Bakugo sneezed back. Wouldn't that be Snow's? Roki? I don't know. There's no one else picking up on the rhyme scheme of this conversation. Only you, FT Lovecraft. 8 out of 10 since it wasn't a stupid bird pun. I'll take it. Someone say bird? No. Hey, Kachan, you should consider Gunpowder Snot as a possible hero name. You should start looking into covering your funeral service, Duracell. Uh-oh. Take cover! Damn it.
Who are you?
I'm Gwen Stacy. I'm from another dimension.
How many more spider people are there?
Hey, fellas.
Hello!
This could literally not get any weirder. It can get weirder.